Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili flakes and oregano at home. First, let's start with chili flakes. Begin by selecting fresh, ripe chili peppers, ensuring they are clean and completely dry. You can leave smaller peppers whole, but for larger varieties, slice them in half lengthwise or into small rings. Remember to wear gloves during this step to protect your hands from the capsaicin, which can cause irritation. Next, it's time to dry your peppers. You can use an oven set to its lowest temperature, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, baking for 2 to 6 hours with the door slightly ajar. Alternatively, a dehydrator at 135 degrees Fahrenheit works well, taking 6 to 24 hours until the peppers are brittle. After drying, let them cool completely, then crush them into flakes using a spice grinder or by hand in a sealed bag. Now, let's move on to making homemade oregano. Start by washing your fresh oregano sprigs under cool water, then pat them completely dry with a towel. It's important to remove any discolored or unhealthy leaves to ensure the best quality. For drying, you can air dry by tying small bundles of oregano and hanging them upside down in a warm, well-ventilated spot away from direct sunlight. This method typically takes between 2 and 6 weeks. If you prefer a faster method, oven dry your oregano at its lowest setting, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 4 hours, leaving the door slightly ajar. Another option is a dehydrator set to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, which takes about 6 to 18 hours. Once the leaves are completely dry and crumbly, remove them from the stems. Store your homemade oregano flakes in an airtight glass jar in a cool, dark place for optimal freshness for several months.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.